Hey everyone, how is it going in this video? I'm going to show you how to split screen in Capcut PC. So without any further delay, let's get into it. I have already imported these 3 videos that we're going to use in this tutorial. Let's add them into the timeline on one another, like this. Now let's adjust their positions so we can see all 3 videos. On the left, there will be a cycle video. On the right, it will be a bike riding. I know you guys can't see the car racing video, which is going to be in the middle. You will see when we do a mask. Now go to right-click on Mask, select Horizontal Mask, rotate this to 85 so we can mask how we want. Right now, we are making the bike riding video and adjusting the mask so we can see the car racing video, and at the same time, we can see bike riding. Now select the cycle video, and again, select the horizontal mask, rotate this to 276, and adjust the position so we can see the cycles. Now can also see the car racing video in the middle, but you can't see the car, right? So adjust the position of the video. Also, remember, if you have anything going out of the frame, then you have to play with keyframes. Here is the final result.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you.
That's how you can split screen in Capcut PC. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.